Just trying to weigh itself out so we can go all the way. Going faster and faster. Let's see if we can get 1200. There's very little vibration, very little. Like it's on concrete and everything, and there's a dryer on top, but nothing. Like obviously you can feel it, but it's nothing. Less than you'd expect, anyway. Look at that, it's going all the way. 1200 times a minute. Oh yeah, it's just past 800. It's a direct drive. This is the second one. Last one lasted 8 years. Something broken, I don't know. It probably would have cost someone $50 to fix it. I just got another one. This one's got a fancy model, like buttons and shit, and it plays a cool tune when it finishes. It goes tan 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 tan. Always look forward to it. Yeah, and that shit is gonna be 95.9% dry. Especially if it's like made out of synthetics. Most of the stuff that are synthetic that come out of there are dry. You just put it on a chair for like 20 minutes, done.